Shalom everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I created another cake video. I was inspired by my last cake video. If you haven't watched it, I will leave it in the eye as well as in the description. Last time I created the 5-layer brownie cookie cheesecake. This time I created the peanut butter brownie cheesecake and it's absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. If you guys are interested in learning how to create this cake, continue watching. Roll the clip. My favorite part of the video, trying the cake. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. I already have like my perfect bite ready.
Hold on, let me get all the layers.
Do it.
Okay.
You destroyed it.
I did. Cheers.
Is this too big of a bite? Okay, cheers. This is good.
Yeah. You can enjoy this even if you don't have teeth. It's so soft.
Yeah, it's soft. Oh, you probably didn't get the chocolate chips yet. There's chocolate chips in the cheesecake.
Oh, yeah?
Wow, I'm impressed.
The best part is the peanut butter because it mixes so well with the chocolate.
I'm not big on peanut butter, but it's really well combined with everything else in this.
Yeah.
It balances really well, I feel like.
Because like for me, it's like I never liked peanut butter as a kid, but like
growing up, you started liking it.
Yeah. Now when I make a milkshake and stuff, I have to have some peanut butter in there.
Which I'm not a fan of.
More for me.
This is good.
It's really good. Really good.
Highly recommend it. You guys definitely should try it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, what would you rate it out of 10?
If we're comparing that 5, I think dessert cake.
5-layer brownie cookie cheesecake.
Yeah, if we're comparing that, if that's a 10 out of 10, this is like 9.
Really?
I like that one so much. But this one's really good too.
That one has Oreos, I think that's why.
Because that cake isn't lacking at anything. Anything, like, all of your favorite desserts are in there. Yeah. But this one's really good. Like. Yeah,
this one's really good. How many layers does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Yeah. Close enough. It's good, right?
Yeah.
I'm impressed. We're finishing the whole thing.
I know. But you know what? The decoration on this is so good.
Better than the other one?
I don't know if you showed the video, put in the video already, the whole like cake.
I did.
It's so good. I was really impressed. It looks like store-bought, but it's like good quality and everything.
Yeah. Homemade. Homemade desserts are the best, I feel like. You guys should definitely try this out, especially if you love peanut butter.
Yeah.
I will link the recipe down in the description so you guys have that in a written form as well. I started making this last night and it smells so good. He came in and he's like, what is that?
Because the smell of it, like, it was so strong and just like, it was just like, you know, it's pulling you towards it. It was so good.
It was pulling you towards it?
Yeah, yeah. Because I kept coming in the kitchen and just keep checking it out. And then when it was in the oven, I kept opening it.
Yeah, which you should never do, by the way, when something's baking.
Apparently.
Well, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment down below what you guys want to see next, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Assalamualaikum.